jingle it too. Oh, it's lovely when a fur tram ride together with you.
For your safety, remain inside while the train is moving. Supervise children. Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Or raise your hand to alert the driver. Thank you.
Busy bells, busy all the way. Oh, it's fun it is to ride a Mickey tram today. Hey! Dashing through the structure on a 7-tram sleigh. Over the hills we go, it's busy all the way. Bells are about to ring, Mickey spirits fly. Oh, it's fun it is to ride a Mickey tram today. Happy holidays!
Woo! So happy right now.
How did we do that?
Magic.
Okay, maybe we should just think one for the older folks on the tram. Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Walking on the tram on Christmas Eve. There's no such thing as Santa. But as for me and Mickey, we believe.
We are now approaching the Mickey and Brendan Fan stop.
Well, judging from the response on the tram, it sounds like you're all in the mood for... Oh, Christmas tram, oh, Christmas tram. How lovely are your adventures. Oh, Christmas tram, I spent the whole day at Disneyland. I never knew I'd walk so far. Now I want to get back to my car. Oh, Christmas tram, oh, Christmas tram. I'm so grateful you have been to. Turn the tank off there. Once again, folks, as you park to the Pinocho inside parking area on the Chippendale level, the parking structure, you're going to want to use the crosswalk. We are now bouncing to return your vehicle. It is the only way to safe way to return to these parking areas. Silver bells. Silver bells. Will this guy ever quit singing? Ring away. Hear him sing. Please get me over this tram. Your ride's almost over. Your ride's almost over. It's time to go home. Once again, folks, please remain seated until the train comes to a full complete stop. What it does, you'll be exiting to the driver's left-hand side. Left-hand side only.
Yay!
Okay, folks, go ahead, watch your step and dash away all.